What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today I'm gonna continue the turbo build on my E46. I already did some stuff to it. As you can see, I got the jack and everything out of the car, so that means we got the oil return line finished. It took me like 3 days to get it done. Like I said, I had to drop the steering rack. It's not easy. It's kind of difficult, but we got it done. And let me show you guys how it looks like. So there it is. There's our oil return line. So not bad. Not bad. I still have to put back the power steering pump and the belt. But yeah, that was the hardest thing to do. I got a new gasket and everything. I cleaned up the oil pan, so now it looks a lot better compared to the steering rack. I believe it was leaking from the old gasket, but yeah. So now let me show you guys where I'm at right now. So I got both motor mounts in, so this is how the engine's gonna sit. And then I don't know if I showed you guys on my previous video, but I also went ahead and added this heat shield to the valve cover. I think I did show you guys. Let me show you what I got here. It came in like 3 days ago. It's a Mishimoto intercooler. It's the best one they have. It's the R series. It's a 4-inch thick, and then yeah, this is it right here. Really nice intercooler. The inlet and outlets are both 3-inch, which most people go with the 2.5 on the E46s. But I decided to go with the 3-inch because I'm gonna try to push this engine close to 650 wheel. I'm pretty sure it can handle. And then if it blows, then I'm gonna build it, or if not, just swap to a 2JZ. I'd like to have a 2JZ on this. So yeah. So okay guys, so this is the same adapter that I installed on the first video. So this pretty much screws into this adapter, and it'll let you run your oil feed line into your turbo. This is probably too big, this oil feed line. This is a 40-inch oil feed line. I was gonna get a 32 or 36, but they didn't have it in stock, and so I just got this one. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna grab one of these. That's good. That should be enough. Okay, so we got our feed line ready. Now we can go ahead and work on the turbo. I was working on the turbo earlier, and I got the drain line ready. It's all ready to go. The turbo's ready to be clocked. So now all we got to do is drop the turbo into the car and go from there. Okay guys, so this is our gasket for the turbo. So we're gonna apply some of our some of the copper head gasket sealer. That way we don't get any leaks. That way it's nice and sealed. Alright, so I'm gonna put the turbo in. I don't got no one to help me film, so I'm gonna try my best to let you guys see. That's good. Alright guys, so we got done mounting the turbo. And check it out, that's how it looks. Oh my god, it looks so sick. Looks pretty good. What I'm thinking is it's probably gonna too close to the little radiator support that goes in here. So I'm probably gonna have to cut a little bit off, and it looks like that's how it's gonna sit, because if I go lower it's gonna, yeah, so probably about right there, and then it's gonna run down to the intercooler, back into the intake. So now let's go ahead and install our oil feed line, which is this one right here. I'm gonna use this restrictor. Then what else? Oh, here's our gasket. And then you gotta look for the bolts. So let me look for the bolts real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I found the little Allen bolts that go into the oil feed line. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same with this gasket. And add a little bit of the copper. There it is. Okay. Okay guys, so we got the turbo in. Now the next step is gonna be the intake manifold. It's ready to go in. I got all the vacuum lines and everything ready. But first I want to put this on. This right here. I bought this. I don't know if I showed you guys this one, but I bought this one because the turbo sits really close to the valve cover, and this is all plastic, as you can see. So I'm gonna put this on, and hopefully it doesn't burn the valve cover. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. I've seen a lot of people run without this, and this right here, it helps a lot. So this thing comes with some gloves, and I guess these little springs are gonna go around these right here so it doesn't fall off. I believe this side goes in there, this one right here. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't hit the valve cover. There it is. It's in. Now I'm just gonna put the springs real quick and I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, so we got the cover on. So that's pretty much it for now. On the next video, part 3, I'm gonna install the wastegate, and I'm gonna put some oil in the engine, and we'll do a first startup, see how it sounds. And then after that, I'm gonna work on the downpipe, which is really easy. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna weld it myself, so should not be an issue. I already ordered the clamps, the V clamps. What else? So yeah, after all that's done, then we're gonna work on the intercooler, which is right there. Anyways guys, that's all for this video, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.